So I just need to show
In
you.
progress?
No, sorry, I need to show you. Okay, I'm in the plane correlation explorer.
Yep.
So when I change the size, the correlation change. And if I change the correlation points, and I change different size, the leaf width, the correlation change. So this is a Java program, a live Java program, and I install into my canvas. So let's take a look in the canvas. So in the canvas, we have same file too. So I've changed the height and the number change, and I can show, if I click positive, it show me the positive correlation. Negative, that's negative correlation. So the same Java applet Java program can be installed to the canvas, and by using the code and put into the iframe. And so student can see the hands-on, can use a hands-on activity to see the real correlation of the plane.